Hello friends, this is X pronunciation. These are very common internet and texting abbreviations. Text slangs. LOL stands for laughing out loud. TTYL for talk to you later. BRB means be right back. LOL used when something is funny. For example, that joke was so funny. LOL. TTYL talk to you later. Used when ending a chat or conversation. For example, I have class. TTYL. BRB, be right back, used when leaving for a short time and returning soon. BRB, I need some water. You can also combine them. For example, LOL, that was crazy. BRB, dinner time. OK, TTYL. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Sex Pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.